Middle of now is a whole new influx of emergency responders coming in here. A lot of them actually suiting up in scuba gear because the water is so deep, up to 3 to 5 feet of water between all these homes. And they still need to help the people who chose not to evacuate. They still need to help those people get out of here. So it's really a mess this morning. And
I guess
sad and painful for a lot of people, obviously, who have lost their homes. And who are now trying to clean up the damage.
Absolutely.
As you can see, a lot going on here, so I'm going to throw it back to you guys for now.
Yeah, I think the fire truck horn said it all. Thanks a lot, Stacey. More on a hurricane after the break.